Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have edit or contribute rights. This avoids permission errors later. Once confirmed, open the Sharepoint site and go straight to the document library where the file will live. Make a quick choice about the folder and file name. Consistent names prevent duplicates and help search. Now, choose Upload on the library toolbar or drag the file from your desktop into the library window. Doing this begins the transfer and shows progress immediately. Once the file lands in the library, focus on metadata. These fields power search and organization. If your library asks for title, department, or project ID, fill them now. Incomplete metadata can hide files. Make sure the upload progress reaches 100% before moving on, and if the library uses versioning, either check in the file or add a version note so others see changes. Also, validate file type and size limits to prevent silent rejections. You finish by opening the uploaded file from Sharepoint to confirm it opens and displays the correct metadata. If you need others to access it, create a sharing link and set view or edit permissions, adding an expiration if required. Make sure to check version history for the expected entry. If anything goes wrong, like upload failing or file not visible, clear your browser cache, verify your permissions with the site owner, then try re-uploading or sync the library.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.